Hey guys, guess what? I just wanted to give you an update. It's like crack-a-lack of time. My son got himself an engine for his POS. That's sitting in my side yard. So guess what? We're going to be putting it in here pretty quick. But I just wanted to let you know. It's coming up. So guess what? Here it is. I think we can probably make, I don't know, maybe 2,700 horsepower out of that. Yeah, right. Yeah, we're just going bone stock, guys. We're just putting it back in, trying to get the car to run. But we're gonna have fun doing it, and who knows? It's gonna run better than it did because the other one has a big old hole in the side of it. So you guys stick with this and get ready. We're fixing to do an engine.